For me, what always drove me was really, I call it like just experiencing life and being a person. There were so many case studies and so many people were doing this, and I said, this is exactly what I want to do. I want to be able to travel the world, experience life, build skills, and also have a business that contributes and runs. All of these businesses, some would make a little bit of money, but they'd only work for like a little bit. I did affiliate marketing, and I could never get something that was like sustainable. All I was doing was just learning and applying and trying to start business and investing in websites or ads or whatever, and I just kept trying to make it work. It was really stressful. It's not that hard. I think it's the concept that's really jarring to most people. I think a lot of people just don't understand the kind of framework for doing everything on the internet. Over 50 countries: Colombia, Brazil, Morocco, Egypt, Fiji, Dubai, Germany, all across Europe, Thailand, New Zealand.